Hello, welcome to Vermilion Public Library's September Adult Take and Makes. This month we're making tassel keychains. So first thing first, you're going to need your kit, which will include the keychain and some thread. You will also need some scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is cut off about a couple inches of string that's going to secure it to your keychain. Then you're going to just take your thread, about how it's all wound up from being in the package, feed that through, and make about an even length along. Then you're just going to tie that, just like that. Use that string you cut off, or if you have more at home, add that on. Just gonna tie this, and I'm gonna secure it, make sure it's nice and tight. Gonna tie it along the other side, really secure it, and then knot it again. Okay, so once that's secured on there, you're then going to take your scissors, come through the bottom of your thread, and you're just going to cut it. Just like that. Now, you have a tassel keychain. Oh, I missed some. Yeah, try to make sure you get all of it. There we go. There. There we go. Now I have a cute little tassel keychain for my keys. All right. Thank you for joining us this month. We'd love to see what you come up with. If you want to add any kind of like beads or decoration. Thank you for joining us this month for our Adult Take and Makes. We'd love to see what you come up with. If you want to add any kind of beading to the bottom, or if you included other kinds of thread, we'd love to see that. Post a picture in the comments. Thank you so much for joining us.